Congrats everyone. Thank you so much. We will see you sa Lollapalooza. Guys, we will be performing in Lollapalooza and nasa Weavers din kami. So, abangan nyo na rin ang aming paglabas dyan. Lollapalooza, Weavers, and many more. Of course, concert na namin, April 18. What this Weavers? Weavers.
Weavers actually is parang ano siya platform for us to interact with you guys. A little bit similar to our hubs. Yan, siguro. But it's a group.
Congratulations to everyone! Woo! Sana, I hope you guys can watch us perform in Lollapalooza. Our Weavers channel will open on March 19, I think so. Get update. The update of 19. Abangan niyo po. When live our Weavers, we will open our Weavers page on the 19th.
Siyempre, magkalimutan tayo. March 4, 27, it's gonna be our album.
Thank you for all your support. I hope you can see you in Lollapalooza. And March 27, our upcoming album Wakas at Simula. Please stream and listen to it. April 18, concert na namin. Wala ng ticket. Bili na, ay, konti na lang ata. Ngayon yun. Tapos Lollapalooza naman kayo.
Guys, again, Lollapalooza po. Yes, Weavers din sa March 19. And March 27 po ang aming album Was. New songs. And syempre, kita-kita po tayo sa Was concert sa April 18. We'll be performing sa Lollapalooza, guys. Kita-kita tayo.
Weavers,
especially,
Was, and concerts.
yes, and then of course, we are now in Weavers.
Ako lang mo dito.
We're now in Weavers. Ang start po namin ay sa March 19. And then, syempre, our new album with new songs, March 27. And our Wakas at Simula concert, March 18. See you there, guys. Thank you so much for supporting us. Because of you, we'll be going to Lollapalooza. Yay! Very big stage. You need to prepare a lot for it. Again, guys, we'll be performing Lollapalooza. Thank you so much. And again, March 19 on Weavers. March 27, our new songs, our new album, Wakas at Simula. And Wakas at Simula concert on April 18.